number of solutions of a power x equal to x square. So let's say if a is equal to 2, so the number of solutions will be 3, because we'll have 3 points of intersection. Just now we looked in other video. So let's say if a is less than 2, a is greater than 2. If a is less than 2, okay, let's say tell a equal to 1. So a belongs to 1 to 2. A is greater than 2, no? A belongs to 2 to infinity. So if a is greater than 2, always we can say that directly the number of solutions of this equation will be 1. So if a belongs to 1 to 2, the number of solutions of this equation will be always 3. And then how we are saying that for a belongs to 1 to 2, the number of solutions will be 3. So if you look at the graph of this, so these two graphs will go like this. So 3 solutions will exist. If a is greater than 2, clearly this goes like this. So only one point of intersection will exist for a equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So if a is less than 1, what happens if a is less than 1? So let's say if I write 0.5 power x is equal to x square, it means it is 1 by 2 power x is equal to x square. So it means 2 power minus x equal to x square. So 2 power minus x graph will be in reverse order. I mean this will be like this, and then x square will be again what we know. So again we'll have 3 solutions. Right now the solutions will be to the left side, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 4, and there will be a solution in between 0 to 1. So if a is less than, I mean a belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. If a belongs to 1 by 2 to 1, so it means a equal to some 0.7 power x we want to draw, and y equal to x square is this. So we want to see the number of solutions of this equation. So this is nothing but 7 by 10 whole power x. So it is 10 by 7 whole power minus x. So if I try to plot the graph of this and the number of solutions of y equal to x square, so let's say I'll put x equal to minus 2. So it will be, if I put x equal to minus 2, what is the value of this? So 10 by 7 whole square, so it is 100 by 49, so 2.1. If I put x equal to minus 2 here, it will be 4. Again x equal to minus 5, so if I put x equal to minus 5, 10 by 7 whole power 5, so this value goes up a bit higher, right? So because 10 power 5 by 7 power 5, so we can get a value, and if you substitute x equal to minus 5 here, it is minus 5 square. So again we'll get 3 solutions. So let's say if x is a is belonging to 0 to half, then there is a chance that we'll have only most likely one root which will occur. So let's say if you try to plot the graph of those, so here we'll have 3 points of intersection, but for 0 to half we'll have only 1 point of intersection. So the graph will be like this. So only 1 point of intersection in between, I mean that we can decide using f of x is equal to a power x minus x square. So repeat the same pattern, substitute x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So if there is a sign change, then we can say there is a root exists for that function. So always what we do is, if even if we don't know this, we can apply f of x is equal to the difference of the two functions, a power x minus x square. So we'll keep the values of x as 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, and again to the left minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. So whenever there is a sign change, we can say that if the graph moves like this, so if, when you try to plot the graph of x, if this is x-axis, if the graph moves from positive to negative and or negative to positive, we can say a root exists at that point. I mean in between these 2 points the root will exist. So always if you consider then most likely you will get the correct answer. So even if you don't know this, you can try using this. So if you know this, that is also fine.